Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, hotelier since 1988, Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. Today's topic is commitment to be honored. This particular topic I have chosen because a lot of serviced apartment owners which are in the market, they don't honor their commitments. Just to sell their apartments, they give the commitments to the clients of fixed monthly returns, and such properties are usually at the locations where it's a second home kind of a concept, away from the city. Most of the times investors have invested, and there are some salaried executives, some business owners who end up investing in such properties with a bank loan probably. So what the builders are doing, they are giving promises to the buyers while purchasing the flat or while selling the flat to the buyers, that you will be getting a fixed income. However, when they get into the operations, there are no appropriate service apartment operators in the country. Let me make it very clear. There were few in 2006, 7, 8, maybe 7, 8, 9, 10. There was Oakwood, which was actively operating service apartments in the country. They have gone back. There was one more operator from Hong Kong, Shama. They were operating. They have also gone back. So I feel international operators are not there in the country, and even if they are not well established. They don't have right infrastructure, right office in India. Point number one. Second point is that most of the hotel owners look for fixed income or fixed rent from the operators, which is literally not possible. No operator will pay you fixed rent on your apartment. For example, if you have 100 units, whatever whether it's a 2 BHK, 1 BHK, whatever, or a studio apartment, operators will not pay you fixed rent because the occupancies, they never expect to be 100%. And why will they pay you fixed rent if you are calculating on the square feet wise or maybe a unit wise fixed monthly rent? Operators will never pay you and do a 60 or 50% occupancy and pay you 100% rent. It is not possible. The half of the area is gone in the facilities or back of the house, and you expect to be taking rent on the per square feet. It is not possible. There's a big gap between the developers and the renowned operators. So bridging this gap is a big problem. I have worked with the developer, I was associated with the brand, so I have handled both the areas. It is the biggest challenge to strike a deal. As of today, there are few operators who are getting into it, but mind you, it is not a good proposition for both the parties. I would also say owners get into a catch-22 situation, or they get into a checkmate situation. When they develop the property, they promise the buyers that they will be giving them fixed rent. When they come into the market, they don't get the operators to give them fixed rent. This is a catch-22 situation. I hope I have passed on the message. Please take care of yourself. I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, hotelier since 1988, Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. If you like my video, say like, subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. If anybody would like to talk to me, I'm available for a free 15 minutes call to discuss. We can come up with a right solution. Get connected, drop in a message down below on the YouTube, and I will get back to you. Take care of yourself. Bye.